So guys, if you're new, please watch the new videos. Yes, so please watch the new videos on the channel and subscribe. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video, we will be checking out the smoke alarm wall, but this is not, this is just an update for it. It's nothing new, so there are no new smoke alarms, but some of them are gone. Well, some of them are down there now. You might notice something. There are two of them ones now. Well, anyway, Chef Pee-Pee will be with me today, helping me in the video. Yeah, I know, I haven't done a puppet show video for a while. Just a second while I get Chef Pee-Pee on. So, yeah guys. So, Chef Pee-Pee will be helping me. Yes, they'll be helping. So sit there, Chef Pee-Pee, just while I get the videos, the ready thing. It's gonna be a bit loud because it's been put in this corner. So as you can see, that one's just flashed. Yeah, so guys, we have this one, this one does work. I'll just put it on that article. Guys, what I will do is I will, because it is quite loud, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my tripod. Sorry about that guys, I'm back. So, we have some smoke alarms that we're going to review today. So this is the smoke alarm video. So the first one is a Fire Angel. Yeah, this is a Fire Angel, and it's also a good Fire Angel because it's one of those. It will flash, just give it a chance. So most of these smoke alarms on here are normal. This one works, but I've got to keep my hand over that. No, hang on. Just a second, guys. So guys, I'm back. So, we're just gonna press the button on this smoke. This is gonna loud. That's why I'm still gonna put my hand over it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so that one's tested. Some of these don't work, but some of them do. Well, most of them do. Let me grab this one. So this is a Kidder. The Kidder version. Yeah, so this one also does work. So we've got one up here that I'm going to just test. Alright, let me... You know what, I don't know. You know what, I don't know whether about that one. Okay, guys. Just gonna do this one. Yeah, tested. Right, so that's another one tested. I don't think this one works. No. What about this one? Anyway. Yep. So. Anyway, some of these. This one. It does work. Well, I've tested this one, haven't I? Yeah, so. Yeah. So. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. So them ones over there don't work. That one, I took the battery out. This one, that one just doesn't work. But we got another one of the same ones. Are these? This one, Unfortunately, I've had to take the battery out of it because it was blipping like it usually does. But there is one thing I'm going to do before I end the video, guys, but there's going to be... So, before I end the video, Chef Pee-Pee's going to give me a viewing of what difference the smoke alarms, which ones are the better ones to mess with, to do. So I say this one, that one, these two here, and yeah. So, Chef Pee-Pee, what did you think of this today? This video today? I thought it was really ridiculous. Well, we'll ask all the other characters. Ralph, what did you think of it? Noisy, but okay. What about Phantom? To be honest with you, I don't really care. Yeah, okay. Little Pug Guy, what do you think? It was amazing! Okay, that's... Yeah, I don't know what that is. Okay, anyway, everyone. What about you, Tongu? This video was awesome! This video was awesome. Okay, anyway. Jasper, what did you think? I liked it. It was noisy, but I liked it. What about you? Diplo, what did you think? I thought it was great! And where's Millie? Where's Millie the cat? What did you think of it, Millie? Very good. Just too noisy. Right, so, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!